Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர்னா சிவிக்ஸில் அச்சீவிங் ஈக்குவாலிட்டி. The society that we live in compromises people from various social groups who are different in many ways. Since we believe in unity in diversity, we should have been living peacefully with one another irrespective of those differences. Often we see that diversity is not accepted, and people harbor attitudes of hostility towards those who are different from them. They form opinions about the other groups, and this often leads to tension in the society. Such opinions are often prejudice. What is meant by prejudice? Prejudice means judge other people in a negative or inferior manner without knowing much about them. It happens when people have false beliefs and ideas. Prejudice equal to pre plus judge. The word prejudice refers to prejudgment. Prejudices can be based on many things like people's religious beliefs, their region may come from, the color of their skin, their accent or the clothes they wear, the types of prejudice or gender prejudice, racial prejudice, class prejudice, disability prejudice, and so on. For example, urban people are more civilized than rural people in attitudes and behavior is one such prejudice. Causes for prejudice. Some common social factors that contributes to the rise of prejudice are socialization, சமூகமயமாக்குதல், conforming behavior, இணக்கமான நடத்தை, economic benefits, authoritarian personality, சர்வாதிகார ஆளுமை, ethnocentricism, இனச்சார்பு, group closure, மோதல்கள், conflicts. இது மாதிரி நிறையா causes for prejudice சொல்லலாம். Stereotypes. When prejudice gets stronger, it develops into a stereotype. Stereotype is a false pure idea about something. For example, girls are not good at sports. Stereotype is learned at a very early age. When children grow to have very strong ideas or opinion about things, groups or ideologies. As children grow up, the lines of like and hate for other things, people, cultures, beliefs, languages become sharper. Inequality and discrimination. Inequality means difference in treatment. The different forms of inequality such as caste inequality, religious inequality, race inequality or gender inequality give rise to discrimination. Discrimination can be defined as negative action towards people. Discrimination can happen on the basis of color, class, religion, gender, etc. Treating dark-skinned people differently from fair-skinned people, giving more importance to people of higher than to those of lower caste, and thinking boys are smarter than girls are all thoughts of discrimination. Article 15(1) of the Constitution states that the state shall not to discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. மெயின் அந்த சாப்டர் இருக்குன்னா இந்த ஆர்டிக்கிள் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது தான். இது கூட டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சியில் கேட்பாங்க. ஆர்டிகிள் 15(1). Do you know end of apartheid? After 27 years in prison, former South African President Nelson Mandela was freed in 1990 and successfully achieved the end of apartheid in South Africa, bringing peace to a racially divided country and leading the fight for human rights around the world. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He is popularly known as Baba Sahib. He was an Indian Jewish economist, politician and social reformer. He earned his MA in 1915 and then obtained a DSc at the London School of Economics before being awarded PhD by Columbia University in 1927. He served as the chairman of drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly and hence regarded as the father of Indian Constitution. He was independent Indian first law minister. He was posthumously awarded for the Bharat Ratna in 1990. Caste discrimination. Caste system is the most dominant reason for the inequality and discrimination in India. In the beginning, the society was divided into divided groups on the basis of occupation known as Varnas. Many people in India have fought against caste oppression. The most prominent among them was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He belonged to a such depressed family and suffered discrimination throughout his childhood. He fought actively for equality among the citizens of India. Gender discrimination. Gender refers to health, education, economic, and political inequalities between men and women in India. For example, a girl is not allowed to go to college after finishing her schooling. Similarly, most of the girls are not allowed to select a career of their choice, rather, they are forced into marriage. In some families, the girls are not allowed to wear modern dresses, while boys in such families often wear modern dresses. Religious discrimination. Religious discrimination is unequal treatment of an individual or group based on their beliefs. Religious discrimination has been around for a long time. There have been problems between people of different religions for thousands of years. Some people are not allowed to enter into public places, especially the place of worship between they belong to another religion. Some religious people often end up conflict with each other because of their rituals and way of life. Socio-economic inequality. The socio-economic field, the benefits of growth have not been spread evenly. However, the income inequality is much higher than the inequality in human development. The low income districts are associated with low industrial development, low agricultural productivity, and low human development. Similarly, the districts with literacy rate are found to be with lower sex ratio. Constitution of India and equality. A constitution is a set of rules and regulations guiding the administration of a country. Article 14 of the Constitution of India provides equality before the law or equal protection within the territory of India and prohibits the unreasonable discrimination between persons. Our constitution says ours is a land of diversity. Therefore, equality has to be ensured for all. Two significant parameters to ensure equality in society are respecting diversity and ensuring freedom. The different kinds of freedom are freedom to follow their religion, speak their languages, celebrate their festival, and express their views freely. The Constitution is a legal framework of rules and regulation by which a nation would function. Equality is where untouchability is seen as a crime. In India, as per the Article 17 of the Indian Constitution, untouchability is totally abolished and its any form is forbidden. Even today, different types of discrimination are reported across the country. Women, peasants, tribes, and people from lower social classes are still striving for equality in India. Recap. Prejudice means to judge other people in a negative or inferior manner without knowing much about them. Stereotype is a false view or idea about something. Discrimination can be defined as negative action towards people. Discrimination can happen on the basis of color, class, religion, and gender. Caste system is the most dominant reason for inequality and discrimination. Gender discrimination refers to health, education, economic, and political inequalities between men and women. Religious discrimination is unequal treatment of an individual or group based on their beliefs. Glossary. What is prejudice? Negatively judging other people or seeing other people as inferior. Stereotype. Creating a standard image. Discrimination. When people are not treated equally on the basis of caste, color, religion, sex, etc. Inequality. Lacking in equality either economic or social or both. Constitution. A constitution is a set of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is governed.